Welcome back to AI and Code with Suresh. I'm excited to show my project for the eBPF Summit Hackathon. Cilium Policy Lab, a simple but powerful visual simulator that explains Cilium network policy rules in a way anyone can understand. The Cilium network policy is extremely powerful but also very confusing for developers. Rules depend on labels and identity, not just for IPs. You may have ingress rules, egress rules, L3, L4 and even L7 HTTP rules. For most app teams, it is not obvious who can talk to whom. This complexity inspired me to build this tool. This tool reads your policy YAML, takes your endpoints and their labels, then simulates the connections. Who is allowed, who is denied and why. It also produces a simple web graph so you can visually see connections, green for allowed, red for denied. How it works? I built a Python CLI that parses the YAML, turns it into structured model and runs a rule engine that matches selectors and ports exactly like Cilium does. The results are exposed to JSON and a simple web viewer converts it into interactive graph. I ran cplab analyze on a sample policy. It tells me clearly frontend can talk to backend on port 80 allowed by rule 1. Then I open the graph viewer and instantly see the architecture. This is helpful for developers, platform engineers and security teams. You can see this in the demo. The print screen is presented here. Challenges. One of the biggest challenges was deeply understanding how Cilium evaluates selectors and identities. Matching ingress and egress rules correctly took careful logic, and building a UI that stays simple but useful required multiple interactions. What I learned a lot about how Cilium translates YAML policy into eBPF enforcement logic. Building this tool from scratch helped me understand identity based networking and how connectivity decisions are actually made. What's next? Next steps include connecting to real clusters, pulling endpoints automatically, supporting more L7 policies and validating decisions using Hubble flow logs. I also want to export readable reports for developers. Thanks for watching. This project was an exciting learning journey into Cilium and eBPF. Links to the GitHub repo and demo are in the description. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to AI and Code with Suresh. See you in the next video. Thank you.